Welcome to the Essential Ōil Business Bootcamp, your free 14-day guide to growing your business, your very own essential oil business. I am your host, Sheri, and I am going to walk you through step by step what it's like to grow your very own doTERRA essential oil business. A business that you can do from home at your own pace with limitless potential, so you can create income and abundance. This is to help you learn about the benefits, the risk, the perks, the struggles, the pitfalls as you begin. I hope that you use this vehicle to know that you were made for more, to know that you can have endless choices to change your life, to change the world. It's time to create it. Are you ready? So welcome. My name is Sheri. I am a wife. I am a mother of two incredible children. I have a 19 and a 20-year-old. It's so great to meet you all. I have my very own doTERRA full-time essential oil business. Thanks to my friend for introducing me. I was able to leave my dental career after 32 years and replace my income with doTERRA. I started my business as a part-time side hustle just to get my oils paid for. I wasn't familiar with network marketing or MLM terms at the beginning when I got started. I found some products that were natural that started to help me with my health concerns, my skin. That's how I got involved with these products. One day, I hooked up with my friend who introduced me to the oils, and she explained to me that she was actually able to retire her husband and create enough income to support their entire family just from doTERRA. I was intrigued, of course. So let's explore who is doTERRA and what is this company, and how does this whole thing really work? What are the first steps that you need to take as a doTERRA builder or distributor? I'm going to talk to you about the tools, the resources, the tips, the tricks, and all you need to know as a business owner. I recommend that you start with this first video and work through the next videos up until day 14. So let's get started with the first video. I'm basically going to give you a presentation that you can use when you start launching your doTERRA business. It's a simple presentation, it's under 30 minutes, and it's going to talk about 4 different aspects of doTERRA. First of all, we're going to talk about doTERRA as a company. What makes them stand apart, where they come from, and where they're going. Second, we're going to talk about the products that they make and that they offer. Third, the business models and how to use to distribute these products. And fourth, we'll talk about the doTERRA business opportunity and how much money you can actually make and how it works. So who is doTERRA anyway? Well, it was founded back in 2008. doTERRA was built on the mission of sharing the highest quality essential oils with the world. Having seen for themselves the incredible benefits that can be had from using these precious resources, a group of healthcare business professionals set out to make this mission a reality. They formed a company and named it doTERRA. It's actually a Latin-derived word meaning the gift of the earth. doTERRA is the largest essential oil company in the world. It is a global company with customers and distributors worldwide in over 150 different countries. doTERRA makes certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils, premium infused products with essential oils as well. Their goal is to provide the world with pure therapeutic grade oils and a guaranteed that the oil is pure from the seed to the bottle. doTERRA spends a lot of time doing testing on these oils and third-party testing, so you don't need to worry about any pesticides, any problems with the soil, any problems with the distillation process, or the temperature being too hot or too cold. doTERRA has very strict guidelines for the doTERRA distillation process of their oils. doTERRA has actually over 150 oils, single oils, and blends, and hundreds of infused essential oil products like skin and hair care supplements and cleaning products. I want to let you know that the essential oils do not have any regulations. Did you know that companies can slap anything on their labels for marketing with no proof of what is in that bottle? I'm going to tell you, I found a bottle of frankincense on Amazon and the label said 100% pure therapeutic grade oil. I did a little research of that oil and the company, and the red flag popped up. It was a very inexpensive oil for such a precious oil such as frankincense. It was actually a synthesized oil which was made from cedarwood and nothing to do with frankincense. So at doTERRA, you don't have to worry about the purity of the oils. doTERRA has got your back. So I want to chat with you quickly about the ban of chemicals in Europe right now. Did you know that there are over 13,000 chemicals banned in Europe? In the US, there's only 12. That means there's a plethora of toxin chemicals that can be sold in stores, and these products can affect our bodies and our health. But you have choices and you can control what comes into your home and what you purchase. I see a revelation of people who are upset about these products that can be sold in stores. Grabbing things for cheaper prices in a store is not always your answer. People are waking up and realize when they are actually spending more money, it's going to be something that won't harm their bodies. So choose doTERRA products because the products are paraben, chemical, and toxin free, and they are the safest out there. Just think about what one oil you can use to replace one chemical in your home for something that is safe and natural. All right, so let's talk about the business opportunity from doTERRA. The business opportunity is about recommending. Why did doTERRA choose network marketing? It's a simple concept, word of mouth. If I like a restaurant or a movie or a product, I'm going to recommend it to my friends. With network marketing and the doTERRA business opportunity, you get paid for that recommendation. It's a well-established business model that companies choose to build out their brand and their consumer network. Network marketing is a $182 billion a year business model. It's effective and it's easy to do. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this from home. Simply recommend products that you love and use and get paid for it. In network marketing, we cut out the middleman. When you buy from a store, 50% of what you pay for goes to the middleman and the CEOs. So with this network marketing, instead of giving that money to the people, you get paid. The distributors, you get paid. People like you and me. People who share and educate. doTERRA chooses network marketing intentionally. I have to laugh when some people say they don't think they can do this because they don't like to sell things. Well, I don't sell a bottle of lavender to people. It's not what I do. I educate them the best way to use the oils for their health and their wellness. I get them started. I don't sell them oils and diffusers. doTERRA gets the products to them. I educate and I connect them with how to get the oils and their products from doTERRA. The lady at Winners is not going to educate you or plug you into any education and resources. There is a low risk investment when you start your doTERRA business, which makes it super attractive. All you need to do is get started with a starter kit, and you're on your way to starting your home-based business. The starter kit starts at $205 plus tax Canadian and $169.50 US dollars. Compared to starting something like a Tim Hortons or McDonald's that's going to cost you thousands of dollars, with a doTERRA business, there's no stock up on products, there's no warehouse, there's no store. You just share how much you love these products with people you love and connect them with a wholesale account, and doTERRA will do the rest. Teach them how to order their products online. doTERRA does all the shipping of the products right to their front door, takes care of the customer service, takes care of the invoice. It's so easy. More and more people are shopping online now every day, so take advantage. Unlike traditional companies where people in the bottom never have a chance to move up the ladder, so if you're in like a corporate job, but doTERRA, there is no ceiling in the limit because the business model is actually flipped upside down. And you can reach any goal in the company. Anybody can succeed or surpass anybody. There is no limit to where you can go. You are building an asset where you can pass anybody in the business. You can actually pass this down to your kids, and you can stop trading time for money. What you're building is residual income. The hard work you do today, you will get paid for forever. I had a month in my business when my mom was not well and she actually passed away, and I took a month off of my business, and I actually still got paid that month. So you get your customers and you get your team's customers, and you get paid from that. It's about teaching other people how to duplicate themselves. So how much can you earn in a doTERRA business? Well, we have over 1 million distributors worldwide. You can choose how far you take it and how hard you want to work. Lots of different ranks, but I'm going to talk to you only about 3 of them right now. Elite is one of the first ranks that you can reach in the business, and you can earn anywhere between $100 and $500 a month. Silver is the first leadership rank where you grow as a leader. Lots of different perks at each rank. You can earn between $1,000 and $3,000 a month at the rank of silver, and this is when you can begin to actually achieve some of the leadership bonuses. And the top rank in the company is Presidential Diamond, and that takes about 5-6 years to build if you're doing it full time. It's the highest level in the company. This payout is $100,000 a month. And so you can see lots of different ranks and places that people can be in the doTERRA business. It takes about 4 years to build a solid doTERRA business. 4 years might sound like a long time, but in the grand scheme of things, it's going to university for 4 years and getting a degree. And then when you're done, you go out and you work for somebody else for 40 years. So let's just finish off with some resources here that I want to recommend for you. The 4-Year Career by Richard Brooke Bliss and GoPro by Eric Worre. Grab those today. The sky is the limit, but you have to decide, is this day 1 or one day.